All right, so today we are at Carl Black Chevrolet in Kennesaw, Georgia, located on Barrett Parkway. And I happen to be stopping by to put my car in for its 7,500 mile service for the transmission and all those things. So looking forward to getting that done. And then I find out that they have, man, a beautiful, beautiful spec. So let's take a look at it. And so this, my friends, is a 3LZ Seawolf Gray ERay. This has a really, really classic look. And then it's got the silver badges, which a lot of times people go for the dark stealth badges. But I think I really like the silver badges on this Seawolf Gray. It also has the polished Corvette emblem and the polished Stingray on the back. This is a pretty nice spec here. Of course, as you can see, it's a coupe. I love these wheels, the polished wheels, along with that brushed finish inside. You have the carbon ceramic brakes for extra stopping power, of course, and very low brake dust. And then, of course, all of the paint matched bits except for the side skirts, which, interesting, the side skirts are carbon flash, along with the carbon flash wicker bills. So this is a really nice spec. I like the combo of adding the carbon flash bits, but then having body color, pretty much everything else. This is a gorgeous car, and the way the sun hits this Seawolf Gray is nice. Look at that. Wow. Let's take a look inside. You can see it's got a natural dipped interior, and when you open it up, wow. And this is dipped, so everything is natural through and through. It's got the level 2 carbon fiber. Man, you should smell it. It smells amazing in here. Man, almost like you went to a tackle store. It's definitely leather all the way through. I love the way the carbon fiber carries all the way through to the boomerangs inside. Man, this is a nice 3LZ. We have Alcantara everywhere. And man, the carbon fiber on the door is high quality. Take a look. Now, I probably would have done the stealth interior. I happen to be fond of the stealth interior, but having the polished look here actually carries through with the chrome badging everywhere else. Man, this is a beautiful car. And for $132, man, take a look at the steering wheel that also has the carbon fiber on it. And of course, you have that nice ERay badge. And then as we carry through, and I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but the flake that's in this Seawolf Gray is really, really nice. Man, you can just see how the sun pops on it. It gives almost a kind of subtle green, a little bit of yellow, a little bit of gold that's flaking in there. Man, I definitely like it. Like it a lot. All right, so let's take a look in the front here. See, of course, this has all of the bits and pieces that you'll need. So everything is still here in the plastic. There's nothing like that new car smell. And one of the things I'm super fond of that you don't have on the 23s, that you now have on the 24s and 25s, is love it. Love it, love it, love it. I wish every time I close my front, I wish I had that soft close, just like on the rear trunk. And of course, we have the engine bay open, and let's take a look at it from this side. Oh man, it's also got the carbon fiber treatment back here, the engine appearance package. So man, this 3LZ is a beautiful spec, and it is a mag ride. So that's great. We got a 3LZ with mag ride. This is gorgeous. And for it to be only $132, man, it's done right, it's done well. So if you're in the market for a 3LZ, you know where to find one, right here at Carl Black Chevrolet. I'd say it's a beautiful spec. Of course, I'm partial to Riptide Blue, the darker blue colors, but this Seawolf Gray is great.